D3 Technologies, we're a software and hardware company. We believe in innovation and we're driven by being the first to do new software development and new hardware solutions into this industry. This particular project, we were brought in at very early stages in the conversations to start talking about how many projectors would be needed, what sort of lenses do we need on the projectors, what sort of truss circle do we need in order to get proper coverage onto the car. And using D3's innovative D3 Designer software, we're able to do all of that at the very early stages of the planning process. So we don't need all of the hardware around us in order to make some of these on-site decisions. In the visualizer, we can actually simulate. We have a projection toolkit, and one of those parts of that toolkit is this whole projector simulation. And we can bring those simulated projectors in to make those decisions on whereabouts they need to be placed, how much of the car will be covered by pixels. And at the end of the day, that's what the client's paying for. So it's really important that we as D3 can assist both the projection artists, content creators, projection technicians. With a tool, they're actually going to be able to use those pixels accurately on a model like this. So D3 has a whole projection toolkit. We have D3 Designer, which is this whole software. This is the visualization environment. And then we have our hardware platforms. The new Pro range by D3 is two machines, a 4x2, a 4x4. And today we're actually using the power of the 4x4. And that enables us to play back lossless animation codecs, really high content canvases, and have lots of outputs so that we can do a project like this with very minimal hardware cost to the customer and a robust solution in one product, instead of having lots and lots of racks of different machines doing just one setup like this. Actually, the next step for us in 2015, we think we're starting to see an awful lot of tracking projects. So large format projection shows, like Super Bowl for example, 80 projectors needing to be calibrated like that, really fast setup times. But more importantly, this year I think we're going to see lots of tracking. So moving objects and video content within a 360 environment using lots and lots of projectors. So that's the 2015 that we see coming. 3D mapping, we've seen a growing trend over the last 5 years. And definitely it's becoming now, even in this year, it's something very popular. Everybody wants to map on buildings, everybody wants to bring a dynamic environment into, say, a trade show like this. And Panasonic were very brave to take this project on with Ross, and we feel to be involved in it. It's been a great success. It's a spectacle, and everyone loves to see a spectacle.